Today we'll talk about how can you enable show voicemail notification on your CallApp. We're going to figure out this solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go here. You go above your photo profile, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do now, just go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you just click here on notifications here, just click on it. Then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Come here to show voice email notification, just click in this sign. Like you see this color show for us, that's mean show voice email notification enable with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.